Hi, I'm Kat from Crazy Cabbage, and today I'll be showing you how to make an oval. This oval works in rounds rather than a spiral. The increases at the ends of the row, I did it very simple, so it's like if you were making a circle. So start by making a slip knot, and I'm going to chain 6. Then put a single crochet in the second chain from the hook. And then, so you don't get lost on this, so I chained 6 and then you minus 3, so it's however many you chain, minus 3 tells you how many single crochets you need. So yeah, I chained 6, so I minus 3, so I'm going to be going in these next 3 chains. So single crochet, 2, and 3, and now I reach the last chain, and this is the corner, so it's 3 single crochets into this chain here. It's 2 and 3. So now I'm working on the other side of the chain. I did 3 single crochets on this side, so again it's another 3 single crochets working along the bottom of the chain. So that's 1, 2, and that's 3. And then if you find where you put that first single crochet, now we need to put 2 single crochets in there. So that makes this end of the chain. That first single crochet counts as the first one, and then there's 2 more, so there's 3 to make up the end. And then it's just slip stitch in the top of that first single crochet to finish the round. Now we're on to the next round, so it's chain 1. So don't go into this one where you slip stitched, instead we're going to start working in the next ones. So it's going to be 3 single crochets again. So that's into this one here. It's 1, it's 2, and there's 3. And now we've reached the end, so we're going to increase. So it's 2 in the first one here, 2 in the second one, and 2 in the third one. And now we're on the bottom side again, so it's single crochet in each of the next 3. It's 1, it's 2, and there's 3. And now we've reached this other end here, so this is where we're going to increase again. So it's 2 in this next one. Whoops. It's 2. 2 in the next one. And 2 in this last one here. Find the first single crochet that you did on this round, slip stitch in the top of there to finish. Now we're on to the next round, so it's chain 1. And then starting with the next single crochet here, you're going to go 1, 2, 3 again to work along the length of the oval. So that's 1 in the first one, 1 in the second one, 1 in the third one. And now we've reached the end where we need to do the increase. So this time it's 2 in the next one, 1 in the next one, and then we do that same thing again, so it's 2 in the next one, 1 in the next one, and one more time, 2 in the next one, and 1 in the next one. Now we do the 3 singles, so 1 in the next one, 1 in the next one, and 1 in the next one. And now we've reached the other end where we need to do the increase again. 2 in the next one, and 1 in the next one, 2 in the next one, 1 in the next one, 2 in the next one, and 1 in the last one. Find the first single crochet that you did on this round and slip stitch in the top of there to finish the round. So on to the next round, it's chain 1, and there's 1 in each of the next 3 to go across the length. So there's 1, 2, 3. Now we've reached the end, so we do the increase. So this time it's 2 in the next one, and then 1 in each of the next 2. So we repeat this 3 times. So that's 1 done. So this is the second time, it's 2 in the next one, and 1 in each of the next 2. And again, 2 in the next one, and 1 in each of the next 2. And again we work along the length, so I need to do 3. So it's 1 in the next one, 1 in the next one, and 1 in the next one. Now I've reached the other end where I need to do the increase, so again it's 2 in the next one, and 1 in each of the next 2. Two in the next one, and 1 in each of the next 2. Two in the next one, and 1 in each of the next 2. Find the first single crochet, slip stitch to join. So on to the next round, chain 1 again, 1 in each of the next 3, and then I've reached the end, and then I'll start increasing, so it's 2 in the next one, and this time it's 1 in each of the next 3. Two in the next one, and 1 in each of the next 3. 2 in the next one, and 1 in each of the next 3. And then we work across the length, so it's 1 in the next one, 1 in the next one, 1 in the next one. Now we've reached the other end to do the other increase, so it's 2 in the next one, 1 in each of the next 3, two in the next one, 1 in each of the next 3. Two in the next one, and 1 in each of the next 3. Find the first single crochet and slip stitch in the top. So now if you wanted to continue and make it bigger, you just carry on increasing in the same way, just like you would if you were making a circle. That's how these increases work at the side. So when you count the stitches around, it'll increase by 6 each round. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe.